The next insertable that we have over here is 3D models, which are available in all parts of the Office family, as you probably know. If you've been through Word course and PowerPoint course, you know what I mean. And over here, as you see, we can choose between these 3D models that it provides us with, and we can click on Insert, and afterwards, as you see, we will have them inside our project. We have 3D model tab opened over here as well, which we can use to choose between different views that it provides us with. Or we can use this button over here, as you see, for our 3D rotations in order to make the 3D model the exact thing that we are looking for. The video you just watched is a part of the Takeoff College, the smartest alternative currently available for the traditional education. If you are looking for improving your real-world skills with project-oriented courses, or if you are looking to increase the value of your time on a daily basis as either an employee or a business owner, for over 15 courses bundle, plus our over 50 upcoming courses and all the updates, plus individual certificates of completion for each course, obtain your lifetime access today, paying our one-time fee with a great discount inside www.thetakeoffcollege.com. Learn more in order to earn more. It's always been like that. See you inside the program.